So today we're at a mold loss. What happened in this particular scenario was a homeowner was redoing their bathroom, took the ceiling out, looked at the decking on the roof, and could see some, when you can probably see it up here, see a little bit of mold. We came in and checked it, and it was in fact mold, and it needs to be mitigated. So we are in here doing that today. What happens sometimes in your ceiling, if it's not properly ventilated or there's not enough insulation, is you have extra moisture that'll collect up here and could cause this scenario to happen. So in the rest of this video, you're going to see how we're putting up containment, we are HEPA vacuuming, we have negative air machines going, and there's going to be some enzyme removal happening. So pay attention to that, and we'll see you when the work is done. Well, we're back up in the attic again. The work here is done. The HEPA vacuum's been done. The enzyme remover's been sprayed on, and the difference is night and day. If you look at these side-by-side shots of before and after, you can really see that this enzyme remover did a great job up here. So, if you have a mold loss, or any other kind of loss, it's simple. Just call 920 to Aquire.